Hi, this is my review of Olight's S1R Baton mini flashlight. It's 900 lumens Cree flashlight. Very compact in size, but very powerful. So this is the little box it comes in. Very nice packaging. It also comes with a carry pouch, I guess. A lower bag. It also has a belt pouch, which is very nice. It's very well built. Pretty cool. You have a car charger, which I find is a great addition. It's good quality as well as Griffin. It's a good quality car charger. It has the instruction manual. And it has this little bonus, which is a little mini USB light that you plug on your laptop or anywhere that you can charge, I guess, in your car, and it will provide you with lights. It's kind of cool. Just put that aside. Now for this little guy, of course I've already opened it before, but I will still do a little unboxing to show you what you get. So this is the light, and you have to wrestle with it a little bit. So this is the light. There's also a little compartment here that you open to find more goodies. And one of the best things I've seen is this, a USB magnetic charger. So you just plug that into your any USB port. It can be your computer, it could be just your regular cell phone into a power outlet. It could be in your car, it could be anywhere. And when you need to charge your flashlight, just sits on. And when you need it, just pop it off. Very powerful magnet for that. And it charges very quickly. So this is a great little feature. I really like this. There is also a little wrist strap, but really, for the size of this light, you don't really need a wrist strap. This is more a light that you would put maybe on a ball cap with the nice clip. So as far as strength wise, it is very, very powerful for such a tiny little light. I will demonstrate. So I got full lights on, so give me a sec, I will shut the lights off. Oh, got my flash on this. Fortunately, I can't take the flash off, but it still show you give you a good idea of how it flashes. It's very, very powerful, actually. If I could shut off my flash on my phone, but I just can't seem to shut it off, so it still gives you a great idea of how bright it is. It's very bright. And I like it that it's a little rubber switch with not a lot of noise. Just a little click. It's actually a very sophisticated little light. It's got memory. You can double click it to get memory, so it automatically shuts off. There's a lot of specifications in the manual that I haven't gone through all of them. I will pause for a second and put the light back on. And I'm back yet again. Yeah, there's a lot of different features on this flashlight, so take the time to read the manual. Obviously, I didn't read everything in it yet, so I'm still figuring things out. But so far so good. I really like it. It's very, very well made. It's very solid, very quality aluminum alloy. I love that magnetic tip. The magnet really works well. I love this feature here. You don't have to plug it, you just have to pop it in place. That's great. It'll last, the chargers will last an hour at least when in use, but you're not going to use it for a whole hour, I'm pretty sure. If you do, need some lights. So there you go. Quick little review of this Olight S1R baton. Great little flashlight with multiple uses. So if you have any questions, you can write and I'll try to answer as quickly as I can. If you like the video, give me a like. Thank you.